Ibn Mas'ud said, I said to the Prophet, هل للساعة من علم تعرف به? Does the hour have a knowledge that you can know it by? He said, Na'am ya Ibn Mas'ud. And this is a science that our ulama need to re-establish. Jibreel taught 4 things. There's not 3 aspects of Islam. There are 4. People say Islam, Iman, Ihsan. But Hadith Jibreel has alamat as-sa'. And Muslims have to know these signs, so they recognize them when they see them. And there are many signs. One of the signs, يَكُونَ الْوَلَدُ غَيْظًا. Children become filled with rage. وَأَنْ يَكُونَ الْمَطْرُ قَيْظًا. Rain becomes burning or acidic, acid rain. وَأَنْ تَفِيضَ الْأَشْرَارُ فَيْضًا. You'll see evil people spreading widely. يَا ابْنَ مَسْعُودٍ مِنْ عَلَامَ السَّاعَةِ وَأَشْرَاطِهَا أَنْ يُؤْتَمَنَ الْخَائِنِ وَأَنْ يُخَوَّنَ الْأَمِينَ. People will trust treacherous people, and they will consider trustworthy people treacherous. وَأَنْ يُصَدَّقَ الْكَاذِبُ وَأَنْ يُكَذِّبَ الصَّادِقُ. The truthful one will be called a liar, and the one telling a lie will be called truthful. These are signs. يا ابن مسعود إن من علام الساعة وأشراطها أن تواصل الأطباق وأن تقطع الأرحام. This to me is one of the clear prophetic miracles of the Prophet ﷺ. Because I believe that the atbaq, and you know in Algeria, what do they call the dish? Tabaq. They call the satellite dish in North Africa atbaq. In the East they call them suhoon or dishat. They call them suhoon, and that's an incorrect hadith because a sahan is a flat dish. The tabaq is a concave dish. And so atbaq is the correct meaning. And the Prophet used the very word that's used for satellite communications, muwasalat. He said, tuwasal al-atbaq, that the dishes will be communicating continuously and people will sever their family ties. In other words, people will stay home and watch television on satellite dish and they won't go visit their neighbors. This is an amazing hadith to me. Ya Ibn Mas'ud, من أعلام الساعة وأشراطها أن يسود كل قبيلة منافقوها. You will see hypocrites ruling. وكل سوق فجار وكل سوق فجاروها. And you will see the worst people controlling the marketplaces. يا ابن مسعود إن من أعلام الساعة وأشراطها أن تزخرف المحاريب وأن تخرب القلوب. That you will have ornamented mosques, but the hearts would be ugly. They'll be derelict, bereft. So people praying in the mosque, they've done no tazkiyah, but the mosque is beautiful. يا ابن مسعود من علام الساعة وأشراطها أن يكون المؤمن في القبيلة أذل من النقد. The mu'min will be more humiliated than the ugly goat, like nothing. يا ابن مسعود من علام الساعة وأشراطها أن يكتفي الرجال بالرجال والنساء بالنساء. You will see homosexuality and lesbianism widespread. Wake up, people. This is our Prophet speaking. And he said, you will see Mirk al-Subyan, young people having massive wealth. Like Zuckerberg is a multi-billionaire before he was 30. And you will see mu'amaratun nisa. You'll see movements to corrupt the women. يا ابن مسعود من أشراط الساعة وأعلامها أن يعمر خراب الدنيا ويخرب عمرانها or عمرانها. You will see the destruction of civilization. You will see the civilization of the destruction of the world. So خراب الدنيا, that will become the ta'mir. It's tadmir. People will, like blowing up mosques. This is the khilafah. The Abbasids built those mosques, and now the new Khilafah, quote unquote, is blowing them up. So you're seeing the Umran of Kharab. This is their civilization. This is what they have to offer. And you will see the destruction of real civilization. يا ابن مسعود من علام الساعة وأشراطها أن تظهر المعازف. That musical instruments will be widespread. And alcohol and drums. يا ابن مسعود إن من علام الساعة وأشراط. He said that من أشارة الشرط, you'll see many police and also al-ghammazun, al-lammazun, people mocking and making fun. Now look at all the TV shows where they just mock people. يا ابن مسعود إن من علام الساعة وأشراطها أن يكثر أولاد الزنا. You will see many children born out of wedlock. In my country now, over 50%. Amazing. تعرض الفتن على القلوب كالحصير. Now I want to interpret this hadith. Hasir is a mattress, or a mat. It's a matrix. It's like this. It has vertical and horizontal, and it's a mat. And the Prophet said that the fitan will be shown to the hearts like a mat. Udan. The oud is like one of the, it has two lines, a horizontal and vertical line. But if you look now, this is the TV set. You see, it's a hasir. This is the set. It's a hasir. It's a mat. And the Prophet said, the fitan will be shown to the hearts like a mat. Kal hasir. Udan, udan. You see, they have oud. These are called idan. Any Arab would call that idan. And this is what the Prophet's like. I believe, this is my interpretation, but the al-lugha تحتملها. The Arabic language bears this meaning, and that's why I believe it's a valid interpretation. This is the oud, the idan of the television. And this is how shaitan is destroying the hearts, by showing them the fitan on these films and on TV over and over again until people just become accustomed to violence. It's a normal thing. They're not shocked by it anymore. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم صنفان من أهل النار لم أرهما قوم معهم سياط كأذناب البقر. You will see people with whips like cow tails. يضربون بها الناس. They'll hit people with it. وَنِسَاءٌ كَاسِيَاتٌ عَارِيَاتٌ. Women that were clothed and naked at the same time. مَائِلَات. They'll sway in their walk. مُمِيلَات. And cause others to incline towards them. رُؤُوسُهُنَّ كَأَسْنِمَةِ الْبُخْتِ. Ya Allah, صدق Rasulullah. He said their hair would be like the Bactrian camel's hair. This is not a camel the Arabs had. They came from Persia, so they saw them. They knew what they were. These people will not enter paradise. And here's the Bactrian camel. Wallahi, say Sadaqa Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. He said people will drink intoxicants from my ummah and call it by other names. Right? They'll have lots of names for it. يُعْزَفُ عَلَى رُؤُوسِهِمْ بِالْمَعَازِفِ. Musical instruments will be on their heads. How did he know about that? That's what it says. I didn't make that up. It says they'll have ma'azif, ala ru'usihim ma'azif. On their heads are musical instruments. Who would have known what that meant at the time of our Prophet ﷺ? But now we see it, all these people everywhere. And here's the iPod. It's not I am a pod. A pod is you have invasion of the body snatchers. They take over your body. The pod takes over your body. They took out the verb to be. They just say iPod, because you're not being anymore. You're a shadow of your former self. Your mind is filled with their thoughts. You're not even yourself anymore. You're listening to Rihanna or Madonna or Haifa Wahbi or whoever the latest fashionable singer is. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان. Don't follow he'll take you by degrees. He's taken them. They're all in fitna. They're all killing each other. The only ones happy about this is Iblis.